traveling in general. I always call myself a gypsy because I feel like, there's a saying that uh, like traveling the world is like a book, and if you haven't traveled, then you've only seen one page. So my biggest motto in life is to travel. So it's great to be here today for Lonely Planet. I love traveling with someone most of the time. For the first time in my life, I went to Istanbul alone. I did like a solo trip, and it was amazing. It was absolutely liberating to be alone, and I felt like a traveler with like a map, and I had a goal in life. So I would recommend both traveling alone and with someone.
Which was your favorite place in the world? Which you like to travel by?
I love New York. Yeah, a lot. I like the energy of New York. I feel like New York is a lot like Bombay in terms of its spirit and its heart. So New York, yeah.
ऐसी कोई मेमोरीज रही कोई ऐसे प्लेस से कोई ऐसी कोई मेमोरीज रही है जो सबसे ज़्यादा आपको याद आता हो
While traveling.
मेमोराइज
हाँ, बहुत सारे मेमोरीज है क्योंकि जब मैं इस्तांबुल गई तो वहाँ के जो नेम्स हैं ना, तो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है क्योंकि वो इंग्लिश में तो बात नहीं करते उधर. सो द नेम्स आर लाइक कदीकोय, काराकोय. और मैं एक मैप लेकर सबको पूछती थी, मतलब उनको हिंदी नहीं आता है, इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, तो फिर आई टू आस्क देम कि ये कदीकोय जाना है. तो ऐसे में लाइक दोस्त पुराने ज़माने में कैसे उन लोग मैप लेकर ट्रैवल करते थे, तो आई फेल्ट लाइक दैट. सो बट व्हाट हैपेंड वाज इट फेल्ट रियली लिबरेटिंग कि मैं अकेले एक शहर में ट्रैवल कर सकती हूँ. So it was an amazing experience. So like that there are many. I even loved when I went to Disneyland and Universal Studios, और जब मैं वो rides पे बैठी, क्योंकि I love roller coasters, so I felt like a child. So there are great experiences with traveling. Yeah.
You can break the records of how will it do? What's there in the one name for you?
I think that all of them are capable. Like I think what a Bahubali has shown us कि जो content है वो बहुत important है, क्योंकि the way Bahubali has been made, it is what makes it like that. We went to see Bahubali not for an actor as such, more as because the film was so good. So I think that you never know कि कहाँ से अभी पहले अगर मैं आपको 3 साल पहले पूछती थी कि बाहुबली, आप बोलोगे कि what is it, right? लेकिन you wouldn't have thought कि वो इतने पैसे कमाएंगे, like they'll never make so much money, but they did. So you never know. But I think the Khans have it in them. There's so many stars. Whether you never know. Yeah.
For you, who is the biggest star now? Prabhas or Salman?
Oh my God, I'm not going to answer these questions. Why do you all ask these questions? I want to know. आप लोगों को सिर्फ एक ऐसे कुछ स्टोरी चाहिए.
Which one is your favorite?
In what?
Salman, Shah Rukh Khan.
I love all of them. I think that everyone has their own characteristics. I think Shah Rukh is very charming. When you meet him, he makes you feel like you're his world. And Salman is like very all heart, very generous. He's a total sweetheart.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.